Hello and welcome. This is a 1997 Saturn SW2. The SW2 has an automatic transaxle, and this car needs a new radiator. Disconnecting the transaxle cooling lines is part of the job here. In this video, I'm going to show you how I remove the cooling lines. Here's the automatic transaxle and the two cooling lines that lead from the transaxle to the radiator. I've removed the air filter box in order to get access. This is the upper line, and each of the lines is held in by white plastic clips. In order to remove the line, you have to hold in the tabs of the plastic clips and pull out the clips in the line together. I found the easiest way to do that is to use a cable tie or a zip tie and tighten the cable tie around the plastic clip that will hold the clip compressed, and you can have both hands free in order to remove the lines. With the radiator out of the car, I put it on a bench and secured it with clamps and wood blocks. The two cooling line connections on the radiator are very tight. I have the radiator indoors, and I was able to remove the upper cooling line on the third try. I sawed off this plastic hose connector in order to make room to fit the pliers onto the connection. You need to adjust the jaws of the locking pliers in order to give the tightest grip so that they don't slip. When you fit the pliers onto the nut, they should bite in and leave dimples on the nut. If you find that the tool is slipping, you need to stop work and readjust the pliers. I finished, and I have the new radiator installed. I kept the original coolant lines. I ran the engine and checked for leaks from under the car. I needed to remove the plastic wind deflector from underneath to see the work at the cooling line connections. That's done. There are no leaks. I still need to add a little transmission fluid and coolant. That's all. Thanks for watching.